Do you want to know how to talk to a man and make him fall for you quickly? According to male psychology, there are certain phrases that trigger a sense of attraction and excitement in a man's mind. When you use these phrases, he will find himself wanting you more than ever before without even knowing why. So if you're looking to capture his heart or create a deeper connection with him, use these 11 phrases to get his emotional attention. Do not use this information to play mind games or to manipulate him in any way. That is not the purpose of this video. The goal is to help you understand how men think so that you can use this knowledge to connect with them on a deeper level. With that said, click the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Understanding how men think. Before showing you the phrases and exactly when to use them, it's important to understand how men think, so that you can use this information in the most effective way possible. Men are natural-born hunters. They love the thrill of the chase and getting what they want. When a man feels like he's won his heart, it gives him a sense of satisfaction and success that is very important to his ego. In addition, men are very visual creatures. They are attracted to what they see and they are often drawn to physical beauty before anything else. However, what most women don't realize is that men are also attracted to a woman's confidence, independence, and ability to make them feel good around her. With this knowledge in mind, let's explore the phrases that trigger a man's desire for you. Number 11. You are different. The phrase "you are different" can really capture a man's attention. This phrase communicates that you see him as unique and special, which is something every man wants to hear. It's also a great way to show that you're interested in him and want to get to know him better without actually saying it directly. This will also make him feel like he has an advantage over other guys who are trying to win your heart. For example, you can say this phrase after he tells you about his hobbies or interests. It'll make him feel good that you're interested in the things he likes to do. Number 10. I like your way of thinking. This simple statement communicates several things to a man. First, it shows that you are attracted to his mind. You find his ideas and thoughts interesting, and you enjoy hearing him share them with you. Second, it indicates that you respect his opinions and value his input. This is an important distinction, as it shows that you see him as an equal partner rather than simply someone who is there to serve your needs. This phrase also communicates trust. When you tell a man that you like his way of thinking, you are indicating that you believe in his ability to make decisions and handle problems effectively. This is a powerful phrase that can really deepen the connection between you. Number 9. You make me happy. Telling your guy that he makes you happy is a phrase that will definitely make him fall for you. Men want to be the reason behind their woman's happiness, and by you vocalizing this, it not only tells him that he's doing something right, but it also makes him feel good about himself. Men are ego-driven creatures. If you boost his ego, he'll definitely be falling for you in no time. Furthermore, this phrase also opens up the opportunity for conversations about things that make you both happy. This can help to deepen your relationship and connection with each other, which is definitely something that will make him fall for you even more. Number 8. I'm not an easy catch. Research has shown that when a woman tells a man that she's not an easy catch, it makes him more interested in her. He feels like he has to work harder to win her over, and as a result, he starts to develop stronger feelings for her. This will create a subconscious challenge for him and make him want to rise to the occasion. In addition, this phrase also communicates that you have high standards and won't just settle for anyone. This will make him feel good about himself, as he'll know that he's succeeding in winning over someone who is difficult to impress. Number 7. That shirt looks good on you. Complimenting a man on his appearance is a great way to make him fall for you quickly. Men are very visual creatures, and they love it when women take notice of their physical appearance. It not only makes them feel good about themselves, but it also shows that you find them attractive. When you compliment him on something specific, like his shirt, it also shows that you pay attention to the details and that you care about his appearance. This is a powerful way to make a man feel good about himself and fall for you at the same time. Number 6. You look strong. It doesn't matter if you use this exact phrase or other variations of it, such as, "You look like you worked out," or "You look like you're in great shape." The important thing is that you're complimenting him on his physical appearance and showing that you find him attractive. As mentioned before, men are wired to think they are born providers, and that they need to be physically strong in order to take care of their women. When you tell him that he looks strong, it not only makes him feel good about himself, but also shows that you trust him to protect and take care of you. This is a phrase that will definitely make him fall for you because it triggers one of his natural instincts. Number 5. I believe you can do this. Let's say you are talking or chatting with your guy about something he's passionate about or working on. If you tell him that you believe in his ability to succeed, it will make him feel good about himself and also increase his desire to do well so that he can prove to you that he is capable. This is a great way to show support and encouragement, two things that are very important in a relationship. Furthermore, by expressing this belief in him, you are also increasing the trust and connection between the two of you. Using phrases that show belief and trust are great ways to make him fall for you even more. Number 4. I'm proud of what you did. There's nothing more attractive to a man than a woman who is proud of his accomplishments. When you take the time to express your pride in what he's done, whether it's big or small, it shows that you value him and appreciate his efforts. This is a surefire way to make him feel good about himself and build a stronger connection with you. Plus, it'll make him want to continue doing great things so he can earn your admiration and respect. So next time he does something worthy of praise, be sure to let him know that you're proud of him. It'll mean the world to him. Number 3. Thank you for doing that. Showing gratitude is always a good idea, but it's especially important when you're trying to make a man fall for you. When you express your gratitude towards him, whether it's for doing something nice for you or just being himself, it shows that you value him and his contributions. It also makes him feel appreciated, which is something we all crave. For example, when he does something nice for you, like getting you coffee or opening the door for you, be sure to say thank you. It'll make him feel good and also let him know that all of his good actions are appreciated. Number 2. I feel safe with you. This is another phrase that will trigger one of a man's natural instincts, which is the desire to protect and take care of those he loves. When you tell him that you feel safe with him, it not only makes him feel good about himself, but also increases his desire to take care of and protect you. Every man wants to feel like he can provide for and protect his woman, so this is a great way to show your trust and confidence in him. Furthermore, it deepens the connection between the two of you as it creates a sense of intimacy and safety. To not seem clingy or needy, you can pair this phrase with a physical gesture, like holding his hand or leaning into him, or even say it when you are having fun together. Doing so will make the statement even more powerful and increase the chances of him falling for you. Number 1. You are masculine. I know, for some, this one may sound a bit strange, but it's important to understand the logic behind it. You may not use this exact phrase, but you can definitely say something along these lines. Basically, when you tell a man or make him feel that he is masculine, the game is over. No man can resist a woman who sees him as a strong, capable man. It's one of the things they deeply crave the most, and finding a woman who triggers this desire is like finding a needle in a haystack. This is a new field in male psychology, and it's called triggering a man's hero instinct. It's a very powerful way to make a man feel more connected and deeply attracted to you. And the best part is that it's easy to do once you know how. Thousands of women have learned how to trigger this instinct in their men, and the results have been amazing. If you want to learn more about this, we highly recommend checking out the first link in the description right now. Watch the video and decide for yourself if this is something for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.